Today we talk about how can you create Passkey on your LinkedIn Learning app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on my Learning down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, just click here on your name. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click on this sign. So clicking this sign here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down here, just keep going down, and you click here on account settings. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here, just waiting to open video. So then all you have to, so it's going to take a time. Then you click here on sign in and security here. So then come to this list, click here on passkeys, and you come to this list, click here on create a passkey here. So then you add it in this list, you add password, then you click here on down, then it's going to add video. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.